If Premiere Pro is showing an error when saving your project, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to editing fast. This issue is usually caused by a storage problem, a file path problem, cloud sync conflicts, or even corrupted preferences inside Premiere Pro itself. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Let's jump in. The first thing to try is saving your project to a new location. Go up to File, then choose Save As. Instead of saving back to the same external drive, network folder, or synced cloud location, pick a simple local folder like your desktop or documents. A lot of save errors happen because Premiere Pro has trouble writing to an external drive, a disconnected network path, or a folder that is being monitored by cloud sync software. Saving locally is the fastest way to test whether the problem is location-based. If the project saves correctly in a local folder, then you know the original save location was the issue. Next, check your disk space. Premiere Pro needs enough room on your drive not just for the project file itself, but also for cache files, previews, temporary data, and background operations. As a general rule, make sure you have at least 10 to 20% free space on the drive where your project is being saved. If your drive is nearly full, delete unused files, empty the recycle bin or trash, and clear any large downloads you no longer need. Once you free up space, try saving the project again. Now look at the project name itself. If your file name contains special characters like slashes, colons, question marks, brackets, or symbols, Premiere Pro may throw a save error because those characters can cause file path conflicts. Rename the project with a simple clean name using letters, numbers, spaces, or underscores only. For example, instead of a name with symbols, try something like client_edit_01 or YouTube_project_final. Then save it again and see if the error disappears. If you are saving to OneDrive, Dropbox, or iCloud, cloud syncing may be the cause. These services can lock files while they are syncing, which can stop Premiere Pro from writing changes properly. A good fix is to pause syncing temporarily, save the project locally, and then move it later once everything is done. If the file is already inside a synced folder, try dragging it to a normal local folder first, then open and save it from there. This is one of the most common reasons Premiere Pro users run into save problems. If none of those fixes work, the next step is to reset Premiere Pro preferences. This can help if the application settings have become corrupted and are interfering with normal saving behavior. There are two ways to do this, and I'll show you both. The first method is the startup shortcut, and it's the fastest. Close Premiere Pro completely, then hold down the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac. While still holding that key, click the Premiere Pro icon to launch the program. Keep holding it until you see a window called Reset Options. From there, you can confirm the reset and let Premiere Pro reload with fresh preferences. This can clear out hidden glitches that are causing save errors. If the shortcut doesn't work, use the Reset Manager inside the app. Launch Premiere Pro normally, then go to the Edit menu on Windows or the Premiere Pro menu on Mac. Open Preferences, then look for Reset on launch. A dialog box will appear with several checkboxes, and you can choose the preference reset options that apply. This method is especially useful if Premiere Pro is opening but still failing when you try to save a project. After resetting preferences, reopen your project and try saving again. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue immediately. If the project opens and saves normally, you can continue working as usual and then move the file back to your preferred location later if needed. So to recap, if Premiere Pro gives you an error when saving, first save to a new local location, then clear some disk space, rename the project to remove special characters, pause any cloud sync service, and finally reset your preferences if needed. These steps solve most save-related problems without having to reinstall the software. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Premiere Pro fixes, editing tips, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.